Question 11 says, solve the equation of change. df over dx is equal to 5f if the initial value of f is 2, and they want us to write the equation both in the alternate form and the standard form. So again, they're saying solve the equation, which just means find the corresponding normal function. So the alternate form, why they label one of them alternate and one of them standard, I don't know. It's kind of just this book's way of differentiating between the two forms. But the alternate would be f is equal to 2e to the 5x. So the 2, which is the initial value, goes out in front. So I am looking at this form right here. And my r value, which is 5, is going to go up there. So then they want us to write it in standard form as well. So to do that, we just need to actually figure out what that e to the 5 is. So they want us to replace e to the 5 with, and let me get my calculator. So e to the 5, and let's round it to 2 places. So this would be 148.41. So then we would instead write the equation as f is equal to 2 times 148.41 raised to the x. So this is one of our answers, and this is the other one of our answers. Again, the standard form, we're taking the e to the 5 and figuring out what that actually is. So sometimes, depending on what the scenario is, it can be nice to see what this number is, but also it's not nice because we have to round it. So all the answers that we're getting are not exact if we use the equation. Whereas this one, it's not rounded until the end, so it's more exact. But there's just really two different forms, given that the equation of change is 5f. Let's look at number 12. 12 says a balloon leaks air, which means it's changing its volume at a rate of 1/3 of the volume per minute. The equation of change that describes the volume V of air in the balloon at time t in minutes is given below. They want us to solve the equation of change, which again, whenever they say solve the equation of change, that just means find the function. It's just a fancy way of saying find the function. If there are initially 4 liters of air in the balloon. So I'm going to do the, I'm going to write it in the alternate way, so just with the, leaving the e in it. So it's going to be v is equal to 4 because that's my initial value, and then e to the negative 1/3 t. And that'll be my function.